First of all, it is really snowing outside. And I have a lathe. So for the base of the board, we cut a larger board into a 10-inch by 5-inch little rectangle. And routed these edges to look all nice with this bit. And for the game holes, we just measured a hole saw to the width of this 1.25 inch dowel rod. And for the little game piece, we just had the 1.25 inch dowel rod that we trimmed down to 2 inches tall. And we used the discs in. And to put a little bevel on the side so it goes into the slots a little easier. For the top piece, we have a 14 by 2.5 board that we cut. And again, routed the edges nice with this bit. And this hole in the center is for this shaft of the same dowel rod that's 1.25 inch thick to slide into, to stand right on the platform that we talked about earlier. And for the rod, we used that dowel rod and screwed these hooks into it for the ring to just loop in. You can just use any hooks you want, but we just use these ceiling hooks. And for this little top riser to put the rod into like this, we just cut a 10 by 2.5 board, and again, routed the edge is all nice with this bit here, and did the same with the 1.25 inch dowel rod sticking to here. So right now, this is what it looks like unscrewed and without the hooks up here. And for the ring to go on the hook, we just use this inch zinc loop thingy. And these here are what we are putting on this top piece to hang the string from. And to screw the pieces together, we use this 6mm 1.5 inch screws here, like this. And this is how you assemble this project. Okay, here, step 1. You screw this to this plate. Then you screw the rod into the platform. Now, once you've screwed the rod in, you screw the top in. Step I don't know, but you just screw these into to hold the string. So now all you need to do is just string up your string to your hooks. So then the hook just measures up to right here.